Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we will start our block 5 Evolution of Humans. What we are going to learn in this chapter, so firstly, we will know about Homo habilis evolved into Homo erectus, both of whom were early human beings. The Neanderthal man was muscular and strong and lived in harsh cold climate. After that, we will know about Homo sapiens evolved from their ancestors to become more skilled and better communications. Sources such as fossils, tools, bones, and cave paintings help us learn about evolution. So, this is our aim of this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about these things. So, let's start with our lesson 1. So, our lesson 1 is about Homo habilis and Homo erectus. So, we are going to read it. Please open your book and start reading with me. All living things, including plants, birds, animals, have gone through evolution. Each and every living thing gone through a evolution. Now, what is the meaning of evolution? So, please underline the next line. Evolution is a process in which something changes or develops over a long period of time. Evolution is that process in which there is something change after a long period of time and become more better than the previous one. Humans evolved from pyramids. जो humans है वो pyramid से evolve हुए हैं. Evolve means they change from other forms of life over a long period of time. Now, who are pyramids? Pyramids are ape-like animals that have large brain and hands and feet that they use for climbing. They are like monkeys, gorillas. They have long arms and feet, which helps them to climb easily on trees and on other things. So now, one by one, we'll learn about Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Firstly, Homo habilis. Homo habilis were one of the earliest humans who belonged to the same species as modern humans, Homo sapiens. So, as you can see in the picture, this is Homo habilis picture. They lived on Earth 2.4 to 1.5 million years ago. ये अर्थ पर 2.4 से लेके 1.5 मिलियन ईयर एगो पहले मिलते थे होमो हैबिलिस. नाउ व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ होमो हैबिलिस के फीचर्स क्या हैं? They are Homo habilis were short with long arms. As you can see in the picture, their height was short and they have long arms and backs that were slightly bent forward. और इनकी जो पीठ है वो थोड़ी आगे की तरफ झुकी हुई है. They had larger brains than ancestors. Their ancestors, इनका जो brain होता है वो जो इनके past में जो peoples थे उनसे brain जो है वो large है इनका. Now see this is their tools. They were also one of the first species of early humans to use stone tools. ये early human की उन species में से एक है जो stone tools को use करते थे. They used simple stone tools to tear and eat the meat of dead animals. They used these stone tools to hunt the animals and then tear the skin of meat of animals to eat it. Now, Homo erectus. Homo erectus were the oldest known Homo species that were more like the modern human in terms of their body size. Homo erectus is more similar to modern humans in terms of their body size because they are tall in their body size, as you can see in the picture. Now, there are few features of Homo erectus. Homo erectus had straighter backs देन होमो हैबिलिस. होमो हैबिलिस से इनकी जो बैक है वो स्ट्रेट है. दिस अलाउड टू देम टू वॉक अपराइट. दे वर ऑल्सो टॉलर एंड हैड larger brain than Homo habilis. Now there are some other things that we also know about the Homo erectus. Like Homo habilis, Homo erectus most likely ate the meat of dead animals, but their stone tools were sharper. Now यहाँ पर क्या change हुआ after few years? The tools of Homo erectus were more sharper than the Homo habilis and were used to tear animal meat, और animal meat को इसको tear करने के लिए use किया जाता है. Homo erectus was the first human species to control fire. Now, who is the first most species to control the fire, that is Homo erectus, and use it for a variety of purpose, including staying warm and scaring away with wild animals. And they use this fire for different purposes: to cook food, to scare the animals, to keep themselves warm in a cold climate. So these are the things about Homo habilis and Homo erectus. I hope it's clear to you all. Now we are moving forward to lesson 2, that is about Neanderthal men. This is the third species of early human beings, after Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and then Neanderthal men come. Now we'll read about it. Homo neanderthalensis or Homo neanderthals were early humans who evolved from the Homo erectus. This Neanderthal man species were evolved from Homo erectus. It is widely believed that modern humans came from America. ये माना जाता है कि जितने भी मॉडर्न ह्यूमन्स हैं वो अफ्रीका से बन के आए हैं. सम ऑफ द होमो इरेक्टस मूव्ड आउट ऑफ अफ्रीका इनटू पार्ट्स ऑफ यूरोप एंड एशिया while others stayed on in Africa. Some Homo erectus moved to Europe and Asia, and some stayed back to Africa. The one who stayed back developed into modern humans or Homo sapiens. The Homo erectus who stayed back in Africa, they changes into modern humans, or we can say Homo sapiens. But the one who moved out evolved into few different species. One of these species was the Neanderthal, and those Homo erectus moved to Europe and Asia. They changes into few different species, and one of them is Neanderthal. Now we are going to learn about some features of Neanderthals. So please firstly look at the picture clearly. The Neanderthals lived in very cold places. They always lived in cold places. They were short in height, इनकी height छोटी होती है, and had heavy bodies with thick muscles which protected them against the cold. They had wide nose which was suited for breathing in cold air. They had a wide nose which helps them to breathe properly in cold air. They also had larger brains than their ancestors, Homo erectus. Right? Now they were better than Homo erectus in controlling fire. Now these Neanderthal men were more better than Homo erectus in controlling the fire and could keep it burning for a long time. They lived in caves. They cooked food over fire, covered their body with animal skin, and most possibly even buried dead people. Now what is the meaning of buried here? Buried means to put a dead person in the ground. So they didn't burn the dead people, they always buried dead people in the ground. Now Neanderthals were better than their ancestors or hunting. At hunting, they used different kind of tools to hunt animals like spears, hand axes, and blade made from stones and animal bones. Homo habilis and Homo erectus only use stone tools, but there they use spears, hand axes, blades made with animal bone and stones. The tools were developed here by the Neanderthal men. Now Neanderthal slowly become extinct. What is the extinct? To have no living members. In a simple word I can say disappeared. So Neanderthal slowly become disappeared, extinct. No one knows why. Some historians believe that there could have been competition for food resources from Homo sapiens, who also started moving out of Africa into Europe and Asia. Some other believe that the Neanderthals could not survive the changing climate of the world at that time. Some historians believe that they had a competition for the food, and some other believes that the climate did not suit them, so that they starting dying. So that's why this is the reason of becoming extinct of Neanderthals. Now did you know Neanderthals are the closest cousins of modern humans like us. They also cared for people who were sick. So our chapter is finished here. I hope you all learned about Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and the Neanderthal men. These are the 3 species of early human beings. So thank you, my dear students, and please watch this video again and again. Thank you so much.